친구들, 안녕하세요. Hello guys, so for today's baking, we're going to make this delicious streusel banana bread. For this recipe, we have two sets of ingredients. One for banana bread and the other set for the streusel. For the exact details, please refer to the next slide. We're going to start by preparing our bread pan. I'm greasing my pan with shortening, but you can also use butter as well. Make sure to grease all the sides and the bottom of your pan. Also, don't forget to preheat your oven to 170 degrees Celsius. Now, in a big bowl, we're going to put all our dry ingredients and mix them together until well combined. For the preparation of our wet ingredients, first we're going to mash our bananas before we add the other wet ingredients. After mashing all your bananas, you will add the egg, followed by the vegetable oil, and you're going to mix them first before adding the sugar. Then combine them by mixing all the ingredients. And to make the banana bread batter, just combine the dry and wet ingredients and using a spatula, mix them together just until no more dry flour is visible. Here you can see my flour-coated mixed nuts and choco chips. And I'm adding half of this mixture to the batter. And to make our streusel, first add the dry ingredients in a bowl, mix them all together, then followed by the softened butter, and all we need to do is just toss and fold the mixture until we get these coarse crumbs. For the panning, we're going to pour all our banana bread batter into the bread pan. And then you will add the mixed nuts and choco chips topping on the top of your batter. And lastly, you will add the streusel. And now we have our semi-finished product and we're going to bake it on a preheated oven for 45 to 50 minutes at 170 degrees Celsius. To all beginners, I just want to remind that not all ovens are the same, so it is always advised to check your cake before you remove it from your oven to cool. After baking, we're going to cool our bread on a cooling rack for a few minutes, and then we're going to remove it from the pan. And now we have this soft, moist, yummy streusel banana bread. Enjoy!